that's a wrap. The Larry H. Miller Megaplex Theaters at Daybreak, Utah are complete. Well, the ICF's complete anyway. It's all poured out. Let's go take a look at this. It is pretty remarkable stuff. The company that put this all up, IMS Masonry, wonderful job. Architecture by TK Architects, really did well. General contracting by Oakland Construction, and beautiful, flat, plumb, straight, structural, concrete walls, auditorium after auditorium, and this is going to be a super insulated, acoustically superior Megaplex theater project that you're going to want to come and watch movies in, that's for sure.